Here are 7 foods that are believed to help boost your sex life. Watermelon. Watermelon contains an amino acid called citrulline, which can help relax and dilate blood vessels, similar to the way Viagra works. This can improve blood flow to the sexual organs and enhance sexual performance. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, which can help improve blood circulation and stimulate the release of endorphins, creating feelings of pleasure and arousal. Avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and vitamin B6, all of which are essential for hormone production. They can help balance hormone levels, increase libido, and improve sexual stamina. Oysters. Oysters are well known as an aphrodisiac due to their high zinc content. Zinc is crucial for testosterone production, which plays a significant role in enhancing libido and sexual performance. Strawberries. Strawberries are packed with antioxidants, which help improve blood flow and promote a healthy cardiovascular system. They also contain vitamin C, which aids in the production of collagen, a protein that helps maintain the integrity of blood vessels. Almonds. Almonds are a great source of essential fatty acids, vitamin E, and zinc. These nutrients are known to promote healthy hormone levels, increase blood flow, and enhance sexual desire. Ginseng. Ginseng is an herb that has been used for centuries to boost sexual function and libido. It helps increase nitric oxide production, which relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow to the genital area. While these foods may have potential benefits for your sex life, it's important to remember that individual results may vary. It's always a good idea to maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Magical food that can guarantee an increase in sexual stamina and sex drive. Certain foods may have positive effects on your overall sexual health. Here are some foods that are often associated with potential benefits in this regard. Watermelon. Watermelon contains citrulline, which is converted into arginine in the body. Arginine helps improve blood flow, potentially enhancing sexual function. Apples. Apples are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals, which can contribute to cardiovascular health. A healthy cardiovascular system is important for sexual function. Ginger. Ginger has been traditionally used as an aphrodisiac in some cultures. It may increase blood circulation and stimulate the senses, potentially enhancing libido. Bananas. Bananas are a good source of potassium, vitamin B6, and bromelain enzyme. These nutrients may help boost energy levels and improve overall sexual health. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that can improve blood flow and promote heart health. Better blood circulation can positively affect sexual function. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants and can potentially improve blood flow, which may have a positive impact on sexual health. Beets. Beets are a natural source of nitrates, which can improve blood flow. Enhanced blood circulation can benefit sexual stamina and performance. Avocado. Avocado is a nutrient-rich fruit containing healthy fats, vitamin E, and potassium. These components can support overall cardiovascular health and potentially enhance sexual function. It's important to note that individual responses to these foods may vary. and their effects on sexual stamina and sex drive are not scientifically proven. Maintaining a balanced diet, regular exercise, managing stress levels, and maintaining overall health are crucial factors in supporting sexual health. If you have concerns about sexual stamina or libido, it's recommended to consult a healthcare professional. Body neutrality is a concept that promotes acceptance and appreciation of one's body without placing undue focus on its appearance or adhering to societal beauty standards. It encourages individuals to shift their focus from their body's external features to their internal well-being and overall health. Here are some key points that these experts often emphasize. Recognizing the harm of diet culture. Anti-diet experts emphasize that diet culture perpetuates harmful beliefs and practices, such as equating thinness with worthiness, promoting restrictive eating habits, and creating an unhealthy obsession with weight and appearance. Challenging body dissatisfaction. Body neutrality encourages individuals to challenge societal beauty standards and reject the notion that self-worth is tied to physical appearance. It focuses on fostering a positive relationship with one's body based on self-acceptance and respect, regardless of its shape, size, or appearance. Shifting focus to well-being. Instead of fixating on external appearances, body neutrality redirects attention toward internal well-being. It encourages individuals to prioritize self-care, emotional health, and overall physical well-being rather than pursuing weight loss or conforming to societal ideals. Separating self-worth from appearance. Body neutrality advocates stress the importance of recognizing that self-worth is not contingent upon physical appearance. They promote the idea that everyone deserves respect, love, and acceptance, regardless of their body shape or size. Emphasizing body autonomy. Body neutrality supports the idea that individuals have the right to make choices about their bodies based on their own needs and desires, free from external pressures or expectations. It encourages people to focus on what feels good and promotes self-care practices that align with their well-being. Promoting inclusivity and diversity. Anti-diet experts highlight the importance of embracing and celebrating diverse bodies. Body neutrality encourages individuals to reject comparisons and judgments, and to appreciate and respect the uniqueness and diversity of all bodies. Addressing underlying issues. Body neutrality recognizes that body dissatisfaction often stems from deeper emotional and psychological issues.
When it comes to foods that may enhance your sexual experience, certain nutrients and compounds can have positive effects on libido, circulation, and overall sexual health. It also contains flavonoids that help improve blood flow and circulation, benefiting sexual function. While individual responses may vary, here are 5 foods that are often associated with better sexual health, followed by 3 foods you might want to avoid. Foods to eat for better sex. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains cocoa, which is known to increase serotonin and dopamine levels in the brain, promoting feelings of pleasure and relaxation. Watermelon. Watermelon is high in an amino acid called citrulline, which can improve blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. This can have a positive impact on sexual function, particularly for individuals with erectile dysfunction. Avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and vitamin B6. These nutrients help maintain hormone balance and support healthy blood flow, which can enhance sexual desire and performance. Additionally, they contain amino acids that help increase dopamine levels, leading to heightened sexual pleasure. Spinach. Spinach is packed with folate, which supports the production of histamine, a compound necessary for sexual arousal. It also contains magnesium, which helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Foods to avoid. Processed foods. Highly processed foods, such as fast food, sugary snacks, and convenience meals, can negatively impact sexual health. These foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and added sugars, which can lead to inflammation, hormonal imbalances, and decreased blood flow. Excessive alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption may help lower inhibitions and increase arousal, excessive alcohol intake can have adverse effects on sexual performance. It can decrease libido, impair circulation, and lead to erectile dysfunction. Caffeine. While moderate caffeine intake is generally fine for most people, excessive consumption can contribute to increased anxiety and restlessness, which may interfere with sexual performance and desire. It's important to find the right balance.